Today we're going to do a rev off between these two cars, comparing the different sounds of the camshafts and which one sounds better. So here's what we're working with today. First car is the 78 Z28. It's been LS swapped. It has a 5.3 in it. Second car, which we're not going to talk about the engine much because I want to do some more videos about it. I'm sure you can figure it out on your own. But we're going to compare the Camaro sound to the 64 C10 sound. We'll just say this one has a small block. We won't go into any more details. But we will talk about the cam specs. So both of these cars have similar cams in them. The Camaro's slightly smaller. The C10 has a bigger cam in it, but also it's kind of cheating because it has open headers. So it will probably win the rev off, but we're hoping to fix that problem today and actually put an exhaust system on the thing so that we can get a more fair comparison between the two cars. So let's talk about the cams real quick. The first cam, which I can't remember the numbers, so Ryan is going to share the numbers.
All right, this is the Summit 8706. So it is 226, 230 duration on a 113 lobe separation angle with a 4-degree advance and 600, 575 lift.
It has a more common name it goes by. This is what?
This is the Summit Stage 2 Turbo Cam.
So that's from the Pro LS series from Summit. So there's the first cam. The second cam, which is in the C10, tell us about that cam.
It has 237 degrees of intake duration, 246 degrees of exhaust separation, 113 lobe separation angle, 3 degrees of advance, and 625, 605 lift split. It is the Summit 8709 cam.
All right, well, these things have been parked in here in the shed all winter, which is why they're so nasty and dirty. So we're going to pull these out and do a little comparison.
Hopefully the battery's still charged.
It's so ridiculous. I mean, we can just stop the video now. We know who the winner is. I thought that this would be way more wicked, but it still sounds good. Here, I'm gonna give it a rev. All right, let's put some exhaust on. For exhaust on the C10, we're going from the headers into 3-inch straight pipe into these 3-inch cherry bomb salutes. Now you would think this would be as simple as just clamping those 3-inch pipes to the headers and then going straight back to the mufflers, but it's never as simple as you plan. There's multiple cross members in the way, so we had to do some slight pie cuts to route the pipes to miss all the things under the truck. This shouldn't have taken very long, but after cleaning the shop for 2 hours, going to the parts store multiple times, feeding the kids and making sure they don't hurt themselves or set themselves on fire, and then relearning to weld exhaust tubing without burning holes through it, we had something good enough for you to hear the final product. Just don't look at the welds too closely. Give it just a little rev.
I'm happy.
Here, you stay back there.
So does it need electric cutouts?
I don't know.
Is that quieter than the Camaro? I'm absolutely amazed.
All right, let us know who wins the rev off in the comments. The Camaro with the Flowmasters and the smaller cam, or the C10 with the cherry bomb. What are they, cherry bomb what's?
Cherry bomb salute.
Cherry bomb salutes and a bigger cam.